f is inversely proportional to the square root of x. F is equal to 1.2 when x is equal to 16. Find a formula for f in terms of x. Work out x when f is equal to 12. So this is just a basic question on variation. So we first of all say that f is proportional. If it's inversely proportional, then it's proportional to 1 over the square root of x, which means that f will be equal to k over the square root of x. And we have to find the value of k using the fact that f is 1.2, x is 16. So substituting that into our formula, when f is 1.2, x is equal to 16, we get 1.2 is equal to k over square root of 16. 1.2 is equal to k over 4, square root of 16 is 4. And therefore k will be equal to 4 times 1.2, which is 4.8. So we go back to our formula. Now putting in our value of k, we get that f is equal to 4.8 over root x. Part B, work out x when f is 12. So when f is 12, we're going to have that 12 is equal to this 4.8 over root x. So 12 root x will be equal to 4.8. And therefore root x will be equal to 4.8 divided by 12, which gives me that root x is equal to 0.4. In order to find x, we need to square. Therefore, x will be equal to 0.4 squared. X will be equal to 0.16. So this has been a video to show you how to do variation and the idea that one quantity is inversely proportional to the other. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.